My YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Those who are already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the next video notification. So now let us answer the MCQ of practice paper number 4 mathematics of class 8th. The first question is the value of square root of 144 plus cube root of 343 is dash ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So first question ಅಲ್ಲಿ square root of 144 plus cube root of 343. So we know that square root of 144 is 12 and cube root of 343 is 7. So 12 plus 7 will be equal to 19. Therefore, for the first question, option A 19 is the answer. Option A 19. Then coming to the second question, for any non-zero integer a and also m and n where m is greater than n are natural numbers, then a to the power of m whole to the power of n is dash. So now for this question, so now let us answer it. So a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. A to the power of m into n. So a to the power of m into n andre it is option C. So option C is the right answer. So option C, a to the power of m into n. Then coming to third question. In the third question, the unit place of cube of 24 is. That is, if you multiply 24 3 times, 24 into 24 into 24, you will get some number. In that some number, what will be the unit place ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮೂರು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 4 into 4 into 4. ಸೊ 4 into 4 into 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 64 ಬಂತು. 64 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ 4 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 24 3 times, you will get 4 in the unit place. Therefore, for third question, the right answer is option B, that is 4. So option B, 4 is the answer. Then coming to fourth question. So the given solid in the picture is, so what type of solid it is? It is cuboid. So for fourth question, option B. So option B, cuboid is the right answer. Then coming to the fifth question, that is the formula to find out the lateral surface area of a cone in cone is dash square units. So lateral surface area of a cone is pi r l. Therefore, for fifth question, option C, pi r l is the right answer. Now let us move for the sixth question. The smallest, find the smallest whole number by which 128 should be multiplied to get a perfect square. So for 128, what you have to multiply to make it a perfect square? Divide 128. 2 6 are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are, then 2 8s are, then 2 4s are, then 2 2s are. So now, so these, so you told to get the square, you make these two one group, these two one group, these two one group. So what is remaining here? 1 2 is remaining. Therefore, for 128, if you multiply by 2, you will get 256, and 256 is a perfect square. Therefore, for 128, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 2. Therefore, for sixth question, the right answer is option C, 2. So option C, that is 2, is the right answer. For sixth question, option C, 2. Now let us move for the seventh question. So what is there in the seventh question? The lateral surface area of a room is in the form of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 8 meter, 4 meter and 5 meter anta kottidane. So now let us find out the lateral surface area. So what they have given? They have given the length, breadth and height. So what is the length? 8, breadth 4 and 8, 4 and 5. So length, breadth and height. Length is given as 8 meter, breadth is given as 4 meter and height is given as 5 meter. So we have to find out LSA. LSA is equal to 2h into L plus B. So LSA is equal to 2 into h andre 5, L andre 8 plus breadth is 4. So LSA is equal to 2 5s are 10 into 8 plus 4 is 12. Therefore LSA is equal to 10 into 12 will become 120 square meter. So 120 square meter is the answer for the seventh one. So seventh ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ 120 ಇದೆ. So 120 is the right answer. So option C 120. Then coming to the eighth question. In the eighth question, the cube 1331 lies between the cubes of the following numbers ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So now the cubes of 1331, that is cube root of 1331. Cube root of 1331 is 11. 11 lies between 10 and 12. Therefore the answer is 10 and 12. So 10 and 12 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So option B. So for 8th question, the right answer is option B 10 and 12. Now let us move for the 9th question. So in the 9th question, in a pie chart, the angle of the sector representing 5 by 12th part of a circle is. So pie chart ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 by 12th part ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, 5 by 12 into total angle is 360 degree. 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. So it is equal to 150 degree. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 150 degree ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, option D. So for 9th question, option D 150 degree is the right answer. Now let us move for the 10th question. So in the 10th question, the volume of the cylinder whose height is 10 meter and diameter is 14 meter anta kottidane. We have to find the volume. So what they have given, so they have given height as 10 meter, h is equal to 10 meter and diameter is equal to 14 meter. So diameter 14 andre radius will become 7 meter. Now let us find out the volume. So volume of a cylinder is equal to V is equal to pi r square h. V is equal to pi andre 22 by 7 into radius andre 7 into 7 into height andre 10. 7 7 cancel ಆಯಿತು. That is equal to 22 7s are 154. 154 10s are will become 1540 cubic meter. So 1540 cubic meter is the volume of the cylinder. So that is option B is the right answer. So for this question, option B, that is 1540 cubic, that is m cube or cubic meter. Now let us answer the 11th question. So 11th question ಏನಿದೆ, when we express 9 to the power of 10 as a base of 3. So 9 to the power of 10 na let us express as the base of 3. 9 to the power of 10. So 9 to the power of 10 anta kottidane. 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2, then whole to the power of 10, which is equal to ನೋಡಿ 3 base bantu. 3 to the power of 2 into 10 is 20. So 3 to the power of 20. So now here the right option is option A 3 to the power of 20. For 11th question, option A 3 to the power of 20 is the right answer. Then coming to the 12th question. The quotient obtained when we divide the sum of 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 4 by 6 is dash anta helidane. So now let us answer this question. 4 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 4 is divided by 6. So now among these three, 4 to the power of 2 is common, 1 plus, if I take 4 to the power of 3, 4 to the power of 2 common, 4 is remaining. If I take 4 to the power of 2, then remaining is 4 to the power of 2. Again 4 ಇದೆ, already 2 ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Divided by 6. 4 to the power of 2 andre it will become 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 4 plus 4 to the power of 2 means 16 divided by 6. So now 16 into 1 plus 4 plus 16 is 21 by 6. So now if you divide it, then 2 3s are 2 8s, 3 1s are 3 7s. That is 8 into 7, which is equal to 56. So now for 12th question, the right answer is option C, 56. So now for this one, option C, 56. Next, let us move for the 13th question. So in the 13th question, the height and radius of a cylindrical water reservoir are 5 meter and 7 meter. ಅವನೇನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಹೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ CSA ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ₹20 per square meter ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್. height is 5 meter. Height is equal to 5 meter. Then radius is equal to 7 meter. Now let us find out the CSA first. So CSA is equal to question mark. So CSA is equal to 2 pi r h. CSA is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 5. 7 7 cancel. So CSA is equal to 2 into 22 44. 44 into 5 will become 220 meter square. This is the CSA. Now we know that cost of 1 meter square is equal to ₹20. Therefore cost of how many meter square we got? Cost of 220 meter square is equal to dash rupees. So 220 should be multiplied by 20. So 2 zeros are there, you keep it as it is. 22 2s are become 44. Therefore cost of painting that is 220 meter square is equal to 4,400. So where is there? So option A. So option A 4,400. Option A 4,400 is the right answer. Next, coming to 14th question. So 14th question ಏನಿದೆ? general form of 4 into 1000. So general form ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 4 into 1000 become 4000. Then 4 into 100 will become 400. Then 4 into 1 become 4. Then 4 by 10 will become 0.4. Then 4 by 100 will become 0.04. Now you had everything. 4, then 4 plus 0, 4.40, then 4, 4. It will be 4404.44. So the right answer for this question is, so it will be option C, 4404.44. So for 14th question, option C is the right answer. Now let us move for the 15th one. Now let us move for the 15th question. A cuboid is formed by placing 3 cubes one above the other with the side 4 cm. Then the length, breadth and the height of the cuboid formed anta keliyane. So length, breadth, height. So when the cube is kept one above the other anta bandaga length ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, breadth ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 plus 4 plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Length 4, breadth 4, height will become 12 centimeter. So 4 centimeter length, 4 centimeter breadth and 12 centimeter height. So 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 12 centimeter. So option nodi B. So option B is the right answer for 15th question. Now let us move for the 16th one. The graph which is used to compare parts of a whole is bar graph, linear graph, histogram, pie graph. So the right answer for 16th question is option D, pie graph. So pie graph is the pie chart. That is the right answer. Then coming to the 17th question, the multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power of 5. The multiplicative inverse for 7 to the power of 5 is 1 by 7 to the power of 5. So both will get cancelled, one will get 1. So therefore multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power of 5 is 1 by 7 to the power of 5. So here the right option is option B. So option B, 1 by 7 to the power of 5. Then coming to the 18th question, expansion of 2m minus 4w whole square. So 2m minus 4w whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. ಸೊ ಎ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2m ಇದೆ, 2m minus 4w whole square is equal to a square ಅಂದರೆ 2 square m square minus 2 into a ಅಂದರೆ 2m into b ಅಂದರೆ 4w plus b square ಅಂದರೆ 4 square w square. So that is equal to 2 square ಅಂದರೆ 4m square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 mw plus 4 square ಅಂದರೆ 16w square. So 4m square minus 16mw plus 16w square. So option ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ the right option for this question is, that is option A. Option A is the right answer. So for this question, option A. 18th. Coming to the 19th question, the value of 4 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of 2. So they have given 4 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of 2. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Then 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 1 will become 17. So option is D. So D is the right answer. Then coming to the last question of MCQ. So here one pie chart is given. In that pie chart, the salary of an employee is 20,000. Out of 20,000, by observing the following pie chart, calculate the amount that is spent for food. So food ge avane kottidane percentage na, so 34%. So out of 20,000, 34% will be the expenditure for food. So now let us find out 34% of 20,000. So 34% can be written as 34 by 100. Half is removed and into is written into 20,000. So 2020 get cancelled. What is the remaining? 2 zeros are there. Write down. Multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6. So the expenditure for food is 6,800 rupees. So for this one, option D nodi 6,800. So for 20th question, the right answer is option D. So like this we have to solve this paper. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who are already subscribed, watch my videos, share my videos, like my videos. So thank you for watching.